Show the main machine and all the components. The device includes 2 spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder and replace the damaged fuse with a spare. Install the filter. There are 4 small sealing rubber rings on the connection pins, and when unscrewing the filter, you will find another 2 larger rubber rings on the bottleneck. You can replace any of these rings with the spare ones provided in the accessory bag in case of damage. Remove the pre-installed screws. Install the holders. Cotton filter replacement. Remove the cap on the suction port to access the filter. Replace the filter once a week. Breast cup connection. Attach one end of the narrow Y-shaped hose to the suction port. Connect the other 2 ends to the breast cups. Vacuum cup connection. Connect one end to the suction port on the main unit. Attach the 2 remaining ends to the 2 vacuum cups. For single cup use, tie a knot on the spare end. Roller cup connection. Connect one end of the straight hose to the suction port and the opposite end to the roller cup. Install the IRF handle. Install the face RF handle. Install the body RF handle. Install the 40k handle. Install the laser pads. Place each installed handles into the holder in order. Connect the power cord and turn on the device. Choose 40k on the screen. Settings, time, 15 minutes. Energy level, 3, mode, default. Press the start button to initiate the process. Press the pause button to stop the operation. Choose body RF on the screen. Settings, time, 15 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, NOR. Press the start button to initiate the process. Press the pause button to stop the operation. Choose face RF on the screen. Settings, time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, NOR. Press the start button to initiate the process. Press the pause button to stop the operation. Choose IRF on the screen. Settings, time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, NOR. Press the start button to initiate the process. Press the pause button to stop the operation. Choose vacuum cupping on the screen. Settings, time, 10 to 15 minutes. Vacuum setting, suction duration, 3. Release duration, 1. Mode, M2. Press the start button to initiate the process. Find the rotary knob on the side of the main unit to adjust suction intensity, which can be modified anytime during operation to match individual tolerance. Press the pause button to stop the operation. Choose lipo laser on the screen. Settings, time, 20 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Press the start button to initiate the process. Press the pause button to stop the operation. Power off the device and unplug the power cable.